Okay, are we ready?
Okay.
He's going to turn it around.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
But you know it's all on you now.
Okay.
Okay, so if you could both stand on either side now. Then I'm gonna come towards you, Judy.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, and where it's really going to be critical for you guys is as we go up the ramp.
Yeah. Okay. So you got to get your heels. You need to bring this one in center. Okay. The other one center more, Kurt. You're going to fall off the other way. Oh, there you go. Okay. My name's Judy Green-Corvée, and Kurt's been a friend of ours for a long time, and we've loved the work that he's done. And we wanted to have a piece of furniture in this space here, and knowing Kurt's beautiful workmanship and craftsmanship and artistry, we asked him to do a piece for us. What I was looking for was we didn't have a lot of space here. It's a small house, so we needed to have something that would fit in this corner here, that we could pass easily down to this corridor and come around and not be clipping it on the shoulders. I wanted a secretary, and I have back trouble, so I wanted to have something that could be at this height here, so I could be standing up working at it, and I like being up on a stool. So when we had looked at other secretaries, either new furniture or looking at antiques, they were all lower and not really pretty or too wide. So Kurt was able to help us with those pieces there.
One thing, the hinges that I used and the drawer pulls, they're all adjustable in every dimension.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the things that I was really striving here for was even lines.
Yep.
And at some point, you know, as these shift, it's easy to tilt the doors, it's easy to bring them this way.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind.
Yeah, well, I mean, as you
Things
pointed
we
out,
need to
just,
adjust.
and I have small enough hands, my finger gets right in there. We wanted something that would be functional, would be practical, and there are many features in here that meet all of that. But also, given Kurt's artistry, we wanted something that would be beautiful. And Kurt helped us to pick out woods that would fit right, to pick out the style. I love arts and crafts style, and so I had sent Kurt several photos of different pieces with the chevron, and immediately he took the ideas, the work that he does with the different types of woods to bring them and blend them together in that way. In terms of some of the specific functions, you know, I hate to say it, but yeah, there's the iPhone and the iPad that we're always charging. This is my domain right here between the kitchen and the living room area. So you always have to have the thing charging, but also I FaceTime with family, so it was important to be able to have it visual. This is my space for organizing all the things in my life. I like things to be organized, and I hate clutter. So Kurt and I talked a lot about being able to have things that were easily accessible, but yet could close them up with ease as well too. And then the drop-down desk function gives me a surface that I can work on standing up, or I can pull the stool right underneath it, and it opens and closes in a way that's absolutely magic. The colors, the way they blend, there's the warmth in the wood. Kurt's beginning to tell us a little bit about the wood, so there's stories in it as well too, which is really neat. But here's the functional piece. Look at how that comes down, and boom, it's right there, good and sturdy. And I can work right here. My life organized here. These little nooks to put things in, which is always what I'm looking for. This is amazing. We wanted to have a way to charge it and not have cords all over the place. So I kind of forgot this detail. Well, this is wonderful because the cord comes through, but look at the beautiful way in which the cords are hidden, which is really, really something. It just speaks volumes of the kind of work that Kurt does. Oh my gosh, it's right. This will make the children fight about the will.
That's what we're going.